Alright, so I started one earlier, and I was going to make a video about the Tyson-Paul fight, because
Screw Jake Paul.
I'm a little miffed by the whole thing. And it's not so much the fight. The fight, I have my theories on what happened there. People saying that Mike wasn't moving right, I didn't see that. I saw Mike was springing his step. I saw him fucking lunging for it. I saw him close the different distance over half the fucking ring at one point. And have every opportunity to hit the boy. I saw him tag him a couple good times, and Jake clinched him and hung on him. I saw Jake measuring during the fight, which is illegal in boxing. I saw a few things.
Tyson didn't bite Jake's ear off.
Like at the end of the day before, Mike Tyson had assaulted Jake Paul. Jake Paul, like everybody keeps reminding us, is a fucking businessman, and he has a team of fucking legal assassins that work for him. So what happened? What happened between Thursday and Friday? What happened between Wednesday and Friday that took Mike from being who we saw in that open training session to being the Mike we saw in the ring last night? What happened? What I'm going to say happened is he slapped the shit out of Jake Paul. And then Jake Paul had leverage. And a businessman is going to use leverage to maintain his reputation. If you have something to exploit, you'll exploit it. And he exploited it. I think that he told Mike, if you go in there and you fucking try to hurt me and knock me out, like, I'm going to fucking press charges. This whole thing is going to be like, we're going to cancel the fight. You're going to lose your purse, and I'm going to sue you for whatever I have to refund the audience. And fucking Mike Tyson, with his experience with the legal system, said, oh shit, I better fucking, I don't want to risk it again. I don't want to be tied up in that bullshit. I'm a huge Mike Tyson fan. I hear a lot of people talking about being Mike Tyson fans. Like, I don't think you guys know what heroes are. What it means to somebody to really fucking be like, yo, that's the baddest man on the fucking planet. Another kid that was coming up watching Mike Tyson fight, having him fight his whole life.
Yeah. Why are we not talking? We're still recording.
I don't think it's good. Listen, you motherfuckers talk about how washed up he is and how he fucking, whatever you fucking say, like, oh, Jake Paul carried him. Yeah. Like,
yeah, of course
that fucking
he carried
like
him.
At the end of the day, intentional or unintentional, some of y'all are being very disrespectful. And I don't think you would do it if you were standing in front of the man. Like, listening to some of these people talk about this fight, I have to go home. I had to go home and lock my fucking self in the house. So if somebody fucking looked across today, listen to you fucking people talk, I fucking hurt somebody. Like, I'm just in the mood to fucking hurt somebody right now.
Yeah, I think we should stay in the car for a moment before we go into General Dollar.
It's okay, son. Dollar General. But, how many people talking have ever been in a fight? Mike Tyson's been fighting since he was a kid. Not for fun, not for sport, for survival.
Survival of the fittest.
And the animal didn't show up last night. I don't know why. I already said my theory. People saying Tyson was in it for a payday. Man, Tyson got all kinds of people wanting to hand him money. Son, stop it.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm fucking serious. I'm fucking, like, I'm not joking. I'll fight any of these motherfuckers that want to talk shit. Any of them. Damn. Tyson wasn't there for a fucking payday. Tyson's not a fucking bitch. Tyson's not fucking washed up or has been. half the fucking people talking about Mike Tyson, if they stood in front of Mike Tyson and said, hey man, you were just too old to be in there, he'd fucking hurt you. Right. I don't know.
You would be dead.
Everybody wants to hide behind these fucking computer screens and their fucking phone cameras or their fucking keyboard. Get out from behind it. Damn. Mike Tyson is still a fucking dangerous man. He didn't show up yesterday. Why he didn't show up, I have no idea. But he was standing there with biting his fucking glove. You people act like my eyes don't fucking work too. You saw something that I didn't? Did nobody see this fucking glove in his mouth, him biting his fucking glove because he knew he couldn't throw his hand? Why couldn't he throw his hand? Who told him he couldn't? Mike Tyson ain't scared of getting knocked out. He ain't scared of fucking picking himself up off the mat. He's done it, man. Against higher level fucking fighters than Jake Paul. And at least one lower level fighter than Jake Paul. Like, it's asinine to believe that he was somehow scared he was going to catch one coming in. Like, no, he's not afraid of that. He's afraid of losing. Mike Tyson told you who the fuck he is. He's afraid of fucking not fighting. He just wants to fight. Just ready to fight. I think we're asking the wrong fucking questions. Marathon runners can run marathons till they're 60 years old. You tell me his fucking, at 58, he couldn't still, while he's working out and he's still fucking busting his ass, he can't run a marathon? Get the fuck out of here, dude. Alright. Yeah, his knee hurts. Yeah, he fucking... But he's still bounding across the fucking ring. Every time he started to get sluggish, he'd bounce and he'd get right back into it. Like, he felt himself getting sluggish, felt himself not moving right, and he was fucking adapting on the fly. He never let that boy really catch him with anything. And Jake Paul was fucking sucking air at the end of round 2 or round 3. He was fucking in his corner. I watched it fucking happen. I never saw Mike taking gassed out fucking breaths like that in the corner. Now, that could be, part of that could be fucking Netflix buffering every fucking 30 seconds because they were not set up for the kind of traffic they were going to get. I went and watched with a friend of mine. We had a watch party down at his house. And I know not to fucking subscribe. Like, not missing much. Like, they were ill-equipped to handle what they handled. That's why you pay for a fucking pay-per-view. But if I'd have fucking paid for that, I'd be twice as mad. This fucking man that we're talking about, you couldn't go get a beer before sitting down for a Tyson fight. Like, oh, they're about to start. All right, I'm gonna grab a beer. Come back and the fight be over. Like, my buddy Joseph was going to piss last night before the fight started. I was like, you better hurry the fuck up, dude. They just dang the bell. Like, this could be over before you walk back out. Like, because that's who fucking Mike Tyson is. Somebody that people like me looked up to growing up. Like, fucking... Some of y'all don't know what it means to have to fight. Not want to. Jake Paul wants to. He wants to be a fighter. He wants to learn how to do it. He wants to train. Yeah, that's commendable too. I'm not going to say anything negative. To have the desire to fucking become something like that. But you can't train what you pick up fucking having to. Like, when you have to fight just to fucking live, you can't train that into somebody. So he's doing it it's a game for him. It's just a way to make more money. It's a way to be controversial. It's a way to get more attention. Like, Jake Paul's irrelevant. And anybody talking about Jake Paul and giving him any kind of relevancy is part of the fucking problem. I'll fight him tomorrow. He can bring cameras if he wants to. I don't want cameras. I don't care. I don't care about money. Like, it's not no fucking thing. I listened to him disrespect a hero of mine for 6 fucking months, and he didn't have to fucking pay a price for it. Like, okay, if you guys say Mike's too old to make him pay the price for his disrespect, I'll do it. I'm willing. But I'm not fighting by not by your rules. No gloves, no referee, no breaks, 1 round, it's over when it's over. That's it, no time limit. You can go fucking 4 hours. We'll beat each other to death. I don't care. So say when. I'm game. Yeah, you promote it. Bring your fucking YouTube cameras. Put it on your YouTube channel. The last video of Jake Paul. That'd be fucking beautiful. But I would love to end it. Your fucking fake career. 'Cause I'm not a boxer. I'm a fucking killer.